Hey, I am Adish, a Google Student Ambassador at Gyan Ganga Institute of Technology and Sciences, Jabalpur. Like, do you have a few minutes? Like, I want to show you something before the new semester chaos starts.
Sure, we can go ahead with it.
Great. Like, okay, so before we can start, can you please fill this quick feedback form I am sharing in this Google Meet chat?
Sure.
Cool. So, like, have you filled the form?
Yes, we have filled it.
Okay, great. So, like, new semester is right around the corner, and honestly, how are you feeling about it? Like, are you excited or exhausted? Like, just thinking about it.
Actually, it's a bit excited part because now I'm going to start with the core of my computer science journey. And obviously, my first year was quite a mess just as to start because there were a lot of theoretical subjects which made it hard for me to summarize things in a very curated manner. So it was a lot to grasp at a point, and yeah, that was quite a thing to actually load your mind with.
Yes. Okay. So, like, what's the part of studying that drains you the most? Like, getting your notes organized, actually revising something, or like, whether knowing whether that you have really understood something or not.
Okay, so usually my study routine starts with going through all the lecture slides which I have or the textbooks which I often read, and I often try to summarize those blocks of text, and I try to make my own summary of my notes, but it takes a lot of my study time, and eventually I just have piles of pages of my summaries, which is quite a lot to grasp at the last point.
Okay.
And
So, like, do you remember when was the last time like you sat down to study and had zero clue where to even begin?
actually, yesterday.
Okay. So basically, you need something that helps you to organize, test yourself, and don't make you retype your whole textbook, right? And that's what exactly I am about to show you. Okay. So you know Google search, right?
Yeah, I'm
Great.
aware of that.
So there's a mode inside it now called AI mode, and it's not just search anymore. Like it's got features built in exactly for use case like this for studying, learning, or doing research or exploring the new topics. So let me show you that. So can you please share your screen so that we can proceed with the demo?
Hmm. I'll just
Okay. So can you share your screen now? Okay, cool. So like open the Google app. Let's assume that you got a topic to study or a chapter to study, but you don't know how to start. So you have to follow these steps. Like you can click on the AI mode and you can type a very simple prompt or text that create a study guide on any of the topic of your choice or any subject or anything, like covering you can okay covering all the key concepts. Yes, yeah, we can proceed, like you can send it. Okay, so like we can see here that like it has created a comprehensive study guide. Like see how much time it saved, right?
yes.
Okay, so let's say that you have studied mechanics from this only or from somewhere else, but you are not sure if you actually remember. So that's where inline quizzes comes in. So what we are going to do is we are going to type a very simple prompt that quiz me on mechanics for engineering, and let's say okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, so we can see here that it is generating a knowledge testing quiz. So with a 10 questions, so that all of your mechanics syllabus is covered and you can test your knowledge. So would you like to answer any of this question?
Sure.
Okay, great. Like you have selected the correct answer, but by chance, if you have clicked on the wrong option, can you click in your so that you can see here it has given a explanation why it is correct and why it is incorrect. So honestly, don't you think that it helps you revise better?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so last one, like this is for when either you don't want to type a single word or you don't even know how to explain something to Google AI. So this is Google Lens. Like you can click on that camera icon and click the picture of any of your doubt or diagrams. Yes, yeah, and just type a prompt that explain this. Yes, you can proceed. Okay, so we can see that it makes things easier, right? It has explained in depth that what are the things that are mentioned, what is the diagram and everything. So, what's your opinion that does it make things easier?
Actually, it makes things a lot easier because many times we just write something in our notebooks and we're just not, and when we sit to study that, we're not able to retain it. So it actually tells whether that thing is right, that thing is wrong, depth, what's the concept behind that, why did we wrote that thing in our
Yes.
notebook. So it's just giving everything in depth, and that's just great. It's
Yeah.
like a teacher sitting online.
Yes. So, like, would you try it for your studies?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So, last thing before you go, can you please fill this post survey form I am sharing in this chat?
Yeah, sure.
Have you filled the form?
Yes, I did.
Okay, great. So, like, also a heads up that AI modes got way more than this. Like, you can explore it while studying or doing any research, and that's it. Like, thank you. Like, good luck. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Anna?